This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. Okay, today, as usual, we're going to take a look here at the crude and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, the daily chart. Now, we'll do a quick review here. Really nice red dog candle, rallied on up, was holding up, sideways action, but now we have to see if it can hold this key 8 SMA, sitting at 71.22. Okay, so we put in a lower low again today, but let's just see if it can rally on up, or is it going to keep on going lower? So if it does go lower, you want to look to the top of this candle here. Okay, this is sitting at 69.84, and then you want to look to the bottom of this candle right here at 67.95. Now that would be your support levels. And then if that's lost, then we look over here on this candle here. You're looking at 66.82. We're looking 65.65. You're looking 64.36, and then you retest here at 63.64. Now, if you look at the 8-day, it looks like it's trying to level off and go sideways. As long as that price can hold above, you got a nice sideways action. And you know, you can look at this really as a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder, okay? But if it doesn't hold, then she's going to go lower. Now, if it does go lower, and say it does retest this would be a great buying opportunity, especially if you put it in a higher low. That'd be a great buying opportunity to take it right back on up. Now, remember, OPEC is meeting here in Vienna, first time in years in person. Now, they want to get that price going up higher. Now you got summer driving. There's a lot of catalysts here going forward. Then towards the fall, you got the hurricane season. So this might get bearish on this, but right now there just isn't really anything to say, hey, I'm going to go full balls out here long. Okay, so this is still in a scalping session. So if we look on the upside here, what you want to do is you want to look at top of yesterday's candle. Okay, so you're just looking at 73.50. Then you're looking here at 73.89. And then we will look at the bottom of this candle right here, okay, 74.53. And then we have your 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 75.15. Now, I don't like this 21-day here. See how this 21-day is rolling over? It already crossed 100. Now it looks like it's going to cross the 50. That's really not a good sign for prices going up, because that really, it does act like the 8-day where it pushes the price on down. But if you can, you want to look at that 75.11 and then this 100 SMA here sitting at 76.45. Then obviously if it can go up higher, then you have your 81 here, your 200-day, and your 83.12. Okay, your retest. Now, this here, you know, this is rolling over here. The top of this price channel is rolling over here. So this just might be some sideways action here for a while. So just quick scalps is what you want to do. Let's take a look here on the weekly and here on the monthly. All right, here on the weekly here, well, nothing's really has changed. You're just kind of like sideways action. The key to the downside is this 66.96. That's going to be your 200-day. That's going to really need to hold. So if you look at these two candles here, yeah, they broke below, but they closed above. Okay, so that's a very good sign. And obviously, if it's lost, then you're looking for your 63, 64 level here. But that's going to be really good support here. And then you can always look here at this 50 SMA here. This is sitting at 66.01 here on your monthly chart. Now, on the upside, you want to look at this 200. This is always very critical. This is sitting at 72.70. You need to close above that for the month. So again, it's not going to be instant because this is a monthly chart. So if you can close above that, then you got a good shot of going up and hit maybe this 8 SMA here at 78.32. Now, on the weekly chart here, you want to look on the upside, 75.64 and 76.61. Those are your 8-day and your 21. Those would be big time resistant levels here. But we got to see how this all going to shake out here, because right now, if this loses this 8 SMA here, then this could really go down to these levels here and then possible down to the retest. So if it rallies up somehow, you get some news, then always look up here to the big key one here at the 75.15. That's your 50 SMA. So let's take a look here now at natty gas. Well, natural gas here is pretty flat here again. You're just sitting basically 2.195, and all your SMAs are really getting really tight here. See, if you look at here, this is 2.178. Okay, this here is 2.23, and this one here is sitting at 2.27. So those SMAs right now aren't really meaning anything. You basically just have to look at this price channel. Okay, 2.529 on the top and 1.946 on the bottom. So today, I don't know what, I haven't yesterday or today, I don't know if I'm even going to scalp natural gas here. There's really isn't much here, and it isn't really worth your time unless you can have more of a bigger of a movement here. So it needs a catalyst here. So basically just watch the top of that channel and the bottom of that channel until we get some movement, and then we can make some really good trades here on this. I use the BOIL for long and KOLD on the short. Okay, thanks for watching.